friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Leduc, Alberta. This friendly city is just a short drive south of Edmonton and is part of the Edmonton metropolitan region. Leduc was first established as a stopping place for travelers back in the late 1800s when settlers were moving west. The town got its name from Father Hippolyte Leduc, a Catholic priest who served the area in those early days. Over time, it grew from a small farming community into a busy, modern city. A big moment in Leduc's history happened in 1947 when oil was discovered nearby at a site called Leduc No. 1. That oil strike helped kick off Alberta's oil boom and brought big changes to the region.
Thank you very much.
Today, Leduc is known for its beautiful parks, clean lakes, and easy access to nature. Telford Lake, right in town, is a popular place for walking, bird watching, and water sports. The city also has a lively downtown with shops, restaurants, and local events. With its rich history and welcoming atmosphere, Leduc is a great place to visit and explore. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Leduc, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.